Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Coin Money Guru, and today we will start our video with positive index, positive news, and why now future will be good. Everything I will tell you, and I will also tell you today about a very good investment of most undervalued coin, which may give you good result in future if everything will be good in future. Yes, right now our fear and greed index is improved some numbers, like yesterday it was around 24 number, and day before yesterday it was on 23, and last week it was on 21 number, and today we are at 27 rank. This is the fear and greed index, and on 30 May our greed index was around fear index was around 10 number at that time. 10 number, yeah, you can see it is improving. It like steps, every day it is improving. 10, then 18, then 20, then 23, then 24, then 27. This is the positive news, and people are coming back to our cryptocurrency market and the cryptocurrency zone, and retail investors are coming back. Now we will talk about some other positive news, like shopping e-commerce, crypto e-commerce gains. Shopping.io supports eToro, social impact non-profit group Good Dollar, and they have donated 50,000 USD to eToro for Good Dollar project. And this is a FUD, another FUD. This is a foolish person. I don't follow this person, because as per my thinking, this is a shrewd business. This person is shrewd businessman who have never contributed anything in the crypto market. Who have never contributed anything in the crypto market, or never supported anything related to crypto market. Why I am bound to think that why we people follow this foolish person? Because he is a businessman, he make money for himself. He never donate to crypto, he never donate, or he never contributed anything to our crypto zone, crypto markets. Then why we people follow this person? Bitcoin dip as Elon Musk tweet broken hearts. Then why, if he have broken heart, then then why, what we do? You tell what we will do, what I do, or what you will do. This person is a shrewd businessman who just taking benefit from his name and fame. That's why he's just sometime he make a tweet about global warming. He make a tweet about electricity. Then he make a tweet about that we will accept Bitcoin payments before. Before making the tweet, he just purchased heavily those bitcoins. Then when at the peak, then he tweeted, and then he sold his bitcoins. Then he tweeted that this is not environmental friendly, something like that. And why we follow this person? Why we give weightage to this person's tweets? Don't follow this person, as per my view, and I will never follow this person. And this is a foolish person. Yes, he is foolish man, fool person. Yes. And now we will talk about our current situation of the market. We are at 1.66 trillion. It's around 4.65% down. Our Bitcoin is below the 37 USD mark. And please subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, so they can benefit from this study, deep analysis study. And today I am going to tell you a most undervalued coin which may give you good result in future. Right now it's most undervalued blockchain coin. Yes, it's ABB coin. Yes, it's ABB coin. It's ranked around right now it's on 141 rank. Current market price is 35 cents on more than 15,500 people's watch list, and present in the market from the beginning of 2018. And this is their website, ABBC Coin, and already it is listed on more than 34 marketplaces and major marketplaces: Gate.io, Bittrex, BitHub, Bitforex, these Digifinex, these types of big markets supporting this coin. It's a blockchain. And now come to the main point. Now come to the main point that what is it? Future of payment security. We provide a blockchain platform that ensures seamless cryptocurrency transaction for everyone. They have their own digital wallet. And about us, now come to their point, where we were established in late 2017, wherein our founders members envisioned a better solution for the current e-commerce woes such as slow payment, hefty transaction fees, and limited payment options. You can see that this blockchain is supporting e-commerce payment, and e-commerce day by day is increasing all over the world. People as all over the world, lockdown is continuing, and people habitual of sitting in their home when they sit in the home, that mostly they watch TV or other way, they just browse the internet and go to shopping sites and make shoppings for themselves. And you can think about it that all over the world, like India, like China, like UAE, Dubai, like African countries, lots of internet penetration is going on. People are mobile friendly, user friendly, and internet data is very cheap right now. Internet speed is increasing everywhere. People love to shopping online, and so everywhere Amazon is growing day by day due to home shopping. So this blockchain is also based and support to e-commerce payments and e-commerce systems. So that's why, as per my view, it will definitely increase. Yes, it will definitely go to good price value. It's right now most undervalued coin right now, and now we will see what community they have built. And at the last, I will tell you what will be the price prediction of this most undervalued coin, and when. I will tell you in detail everything. And please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, share the video with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, TikTok, so they can benefit too from this study. And now come to the main point. On Reddit they have 167 members. Here at this point they are weak, so they must improve their membership here. And on Telegram they have more than 4,400 for subscribers, and on Instagram they have more than 8,500 followers. On Twitter they have more than 6,200 followers. On Facebook they have more than 50,400 followers, subscribers. So they have built good community right now, and now they are listed there 18 years ago. It's another news that they have listed their coin on KuCoin also. ABBC Coin is now listed on KuCoin. Deposit is now available. Trading strategies on. Withdrawal will open. So they are improving day by day. Their blockchain is improving day by day. People are going to adopt e-commerce related blockchain, e-commerce related coins, and e-commerce related blockchain services. That's why it will increase. And now the final stage, that it's price prediction. Yes, as per my view, if everything will be in right direction, and if we just stop giving weightage to Elon Musk and his tweets, and weightage to China's tweets related to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency marketplace, then this coin will, ABBC coin, have potential to go to more than $2. Right now its price is around 35 cents, and in future it will go to more than $2 when people will adopt their blockchain related e-commerce services. So definitely this coin is very undervalued and will go to moon very soon, and you will see the price of $2 of this coin. And if you like the video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. It's a very low market cap, low price, most undervalued cryptocurrency gem. Yes, you can see market cap is around 296 million only, and 34 or 35 cent its current price. And you will see the future is bright for this coin. And already BTC dominance is decreased, and it's around near about 41.7%. And now the money will go to the altcoin like ABBC Coin and other projects. Reef France like coin I have already told and made a video on Reef France. You can see the detailed video about Reef France. Thank you. Bye bye. And please share the video and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.